In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Facebook page message option. By the end, you'll have the message button visible on your page so visitors can reach you quickly and privately. This is perfect for customer support, lead inquiries, and building trust, and it only takes a minute if you know where to look. First, open Facebook and make sure you're signed into the account that manages your page. I'll demonstrate on desktop, but the labels are the same or very similar on mobile. The key is that you must have admin or appropriate page access, otherwise the option won't appear. Next, switch to your page. If you're viewing your personal profile, you won't see the right settings. Use the account switcher or navigate to your page from the left sidebar or your profile menu and confirm you're actually on the page, not your personal timeline. Once you're on your page, go to the top right and click your profile picture to open the main menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This opens the central hub for page controls. If you manage multiple pages, double-check the page name in the header so you don't adjust the wrong one. Inside Settings, look for How People Find and Contact You. This section controls how visitors can reach out, follow, and interact with your page. If you don't see it immediately, it may be grouped under privacy or similar categories depending on Facebook's current layout. You can also use the search bar within settings and type Find and Contact to jump straight there. In the How People Find and Contact You area, locate the option labeled Allow People to Message Your Page. This is the setting that governs whether the message button appears publicly. Toggle it on. When it's on, Facebook enables the message button across your page, and people can start conversations that will land in your page's inbox, typically accessible through your page inbox or Meta Business Suite. The change is usually instant, but give it a moment and refresh your page if needed. A quick tip: after turning it on, test it from a different browser, an incognito window, or ask a colleague to check the page and confirm the message button is visible. If you still don't see it, verify you have full page access and that you're managing the correct page. Also, some features may roll out gradually or look slightly different based on region or Facebook updates. That's it. You've enabled the message button on your Facebook page, making it easier for people to contact you directly. Keep an eye on your inbox and consider setting response expectations and automated replies later to provide a great experience.